Anyway, dinala ko yung baon ko for today. And then, naalala ko, ang dami ko pa palang dalang candies simula nung last vacation, letter V. Simula nung last vacation ko. So, nilabas ko na ngayon. Lalagay ko dun sa jar natin mamaya. Ito ang baon ko ngayon, guys. Protein na 27 grams because I know I have been missing out on my protein intake. Kasi tinatamad ako mag-meal prep. Kahapon, gawa lang ako ng oats with protein Greek yogurt din and then chia seeds. So, ito ang gawin natin mamaya. Sweet Yama, candy mint. Meron pa kay Mr. Yema, Mr. Yama, at saka Mr. Queso. Meron pa pala tayong chubby din. And then, ito na yung baon natin mamaya na ilalagay natin sa ref. So, bread, yung wheat bread ko na tinapay. Tapos nilalagyan ko siya ng cheese na meron din protein. So, yun yung food ko mamaya. That's enough for me na ma-fuel yung katawan ko for my exercise later. Minsan nararamdaman ko na pag after exercise ko, minsan nararamdaman ko sobrang sore ng katawan ko. Pag yun yung nararamdaman ko, feeling ko, hindi ko na-meet yung protein intake ko. Kasi diba protein helps you yung katawan mo after mo mag-exercise para hindi siya super sore. And I know, I'm not. Nag-try ako nag-search sa internet ng protein powder. Meron ako nakita. Gusto ko mag-protein powder kasi additional nga siya na protein na pag ilalagay mo, for example, maglalagay ka ng overnight oats. I want to. But I'll just pray for it first. Pagdasal ko muna siya before I will purchase that one. It's not because of the amount or the cost of it, but I just want to pray for that one first before I want to buy things. Because we want to include God in every decision making that we want to do in our lives, right? That's written in the Bible. Okay, so see you later. Guys, hi. Hindi ako naka-vlog sa office kanina kasi ewan ko ba't ako nag-vlog. But anyway, I ended up not like... That's my phone. That's my Samsung phone. You done? Okay. I ended up not liking my oatmeal chia. Maybe because the consistency, ayoko yung feeling niya. The taste is okay, but I hate the consistency. I don't like it. I really don't. And, inuwi ko siya kasi yun yung snack ko after ko ng exercise mamaya. Pero nilagyan ko siya ng almond, walnuts, at lalagyan ko ng cashew mamaya para makain ko. Kasi hindi ko siya kayang kainin ng ganun lang at saka fruit. Hindi ko gusto yung lasa niya, guys. I'm so sorry. Dami ko pa ba namang ginawa? 3 jar. But you know what? That is actually very good in protein. So I really need to eat that. But I don't like it. I don't like it at all. We will change that from here. So if I will film, you will see this. We will do something about that then. For now, time lapse. Hi guys! So, hindi ako nakaka-vlog ng maayos sa bahay. Pasensya na kayo, itong vlog na to is sobrang gulo. Hindi ko nga alam ano yung last vlog ko, but we will eat our lunch. Wala yung kasama ko, wala si Hanan, kaya ako naka-vlog. But ito yung ginawa ko kahapon, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. Gumawa ko ng like carrots na parang yun yung pasta ko today. Carrots pasta? Carrots pasta. And I will drink my protein milk because I know that I am very short on my protein daily. And guys, carrots. This is my carrot. This is my vegetable. Perfect. Pure carrot, nothing inside. The taste of it is perfect. And then I'm gonna eat my chicken breast. That's lunch. Ang sarap ng carrots, marami. Ba't yung ano ko? 10% low ba? Guys, siguro by the end of July ko na lang kayo i-update kung ilang kilo yung pinayat ko. But so far, sa lahat ng tinry ko na diet na ginawa ko before, kasi ilang beses na rin kasi talaga ako pumayat guys, from 96, naging 69 ako. Like maraming diet akong ginawa, from crash diet to ketogenic diet. The most effective so far is this one, the high protein, low calorie diet. Hindi ako nag-check ng calorie intake ko kasi parang para sa akin it's too much, like parang masyado siyang serious. But I have to make sure na nahihit ko lang yung aking 115 grams of protein a day, in which hindi ko siya nahihit. Hindi ko siya nahihit guys, but okay lang, feeling ko okay lang din kasi hindi naman ako nagbubuhat. Yun nga lang, pag hindi ko siya nahihit, sumasakit yung katawan ko after ko mag-exercise. Kasi pag nagte-treadmill ako, incline yung treadmill ko. Tsaka, yun nga guys, tumatakbo ako kasi Lord willing, pag bakasyon ko, gusto kong sumali sa mga fun run. Sobrang sarap ito guys. Ang sarap. So, let's just eat our lunch because it's lunchtime. Thank you, Lord. So, I have here my marinated chicken. Guys, meron akong i-share sa inyo. Well, not i-share. Meron akong sasabihin sa inyo. I don't believe before yung pag-marinate. Kasi feeling ko walang effect ang pag-marinate ng pagkain. But I'm wrong. You marinate your chicken for 24 hours. Sobrang sarap. First time ko na i-enjoy yung chicken breast ko. Basta i-marinate nyo lang siya ng 24 hours. Grabe. Akala mo adobo yung kinakain ko. Pero air fried to guys. Air fried chicken. Without oil. Inarinate ko lang. I love chicken breast na. Because of the marinade. In comparison sa 30 minutes lang. Hindi ko kasi na-appreciate guys. Pag 30 minutes, wala naman akong nalalasahan. Kaya hindi ako naniniwala sa pagmamarinate. Then, nung kinain ko yung manok ni Hanan, yung kasama ko na Egyptian, sabi ko, ba't sobrang lasa ng manok mo? Minamarinate nila talaga ng 24 hours. Ang sarap ng lunch ko. Ito na yung pinaka-dessert ko kasi matamis siya guys. Matamis siya pero zero sugar and zero fat. Ako ay magcha-cha. Tayo magti-tea. Next labas ko siguro guys, bibili ako ng green tea. Kasi wala akong green tea eh. Meron sa akin yung lemon and turmeric ginger tea ko. Yung pang immune system. So, next labas siguro ano tayo? Green tea. Deal. Nakita nyo kahapon, ayan na yung ano ko guys, bed ko. Sinandig ko dyan. Dito na yung Kati Juliet, sinandig niya. Kasi meron kaming parating na visitor sa Saturday in which he will really check the room, and it's really not advisable na hindi nakasandig sa wall, you know, yung mga bagay-bagay. But anyway, wala sa Ate Juliet, lumabas siya. Nag-prepare ako ng watermelon slices dito guys kasi hindi ko talaga kayang kainin yung ginawa nating chia pudding with oatmeal. Ayoko yung consistency niya. And I need to put something sweet on it para kaya ko siyang kainin. And ayoko siya lagyan ng honey. Kasi nalagyan ko na siya ng honey nung time na ginagawa ko siya. And ayoko mag-double na honey na naman ulit. And ang isa pa dun, yung honey na nabili ko, hindi siya ganun ka good quality. So, hindi siya ganun ka tamis. But I don't want this to go to waste. Kaya ang gagawin ko ngayong araw ay tayo ay maghahanap ng paraan para makain natin siya. So, what we will do is, we will put our pudding and cereal dito sa bowl na to. Yes. Yes. I'm planning to put more milk actually, but pag na... Tapos naisip ko pala, may mga granola pala tayo. Granola, di ba matatamis yun? And at the same time, it's rich in, it's protein-rich food also. So we're still not breaking our protein diet. Hindi siya, guys, hindi ko sinasabing hindi siya masarap. It's just, I hate the consistency of the oatmeal. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put a lot of watermelon para yung sweetness niya is mabawi. Ha ha ha. And I don't need to put honey anymore. Ang tamis nito. Oh, by the way, watermelon is good for your protein diet also. Akala ko dati it's not good, parang kagaya ng grapes, kasi diba grapes is not good kasi sobrang daming sugar ng grapes. Kaya yung grapes na binili ko last time, hindi ko kinain. Binigay ko kay Hanan. Dalawa yun, dami nun. Hindi ko talaga siya kinain, guys, kasi sobrang daming sugar ng grapes. And laking gulat ko na matamis din naman ng watermelon, pero it is advisable to eat while you're having your diet. So, it's good for me. It looks good. Peanut. Tinaray ko siya with cashew. I like it also. Kasi medyo matamis yung cashew. Now I can eat it. Now it's good. I'm going to enjoy my movie. Now it's good, guys. Now it's good, yes. I think I will save this half para doon sa isa kong ganito. May isa pa kasi ako natira. So, para doon na lang to. Para makain ko din yun tomorrow. I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord. Try it again. Para ako kumakain ng fruit salad na hindi ko maintindihan. Nakakala mo hindi ako nagda-diet, pero nagda-diet pala ako. Perfect. So yun na, guys, manunood lang ako ng movie ngayon, Old Guard 2. And then after that, yung sleepers ko. Magmamarinate ako ng fish. Yeah, that's it. That's the ganap. This vlog is very short, right? So yun na, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Maraming salamat, guys, sa walang sawang panonood. Remember, guys, to keep safe all the time, and God bless you all, okay? Bye! Masalama! Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Try nyo. With watermelon. Kahit wala na sigurong mga berries. Pa-berry-berry pa. Parang hindi bagay yung berry dito. Well, it's good.